Okay, so this is room 9818 at Art of Animation. It's a Little Mermaid room. We actually ended up in an ADA room, so we're gonna have a tour of that. It's a king bedroom. It's pouring outside, so it remains to be seen what we're gonna end up doing today. But we got in really late last night at like 10:30 and didn't actually make it to the hotel until about midnight. So this is the next morning, so it's not as neat as we would normally do it. But oh, bless you, Caitlin. So you've got Flounder and Sebastian there, and then you have two little I'm totally drawing a blank. What are these called? In tables. I haven't had my coffee yet. The bed. Got some seahorses. Bubbles. This lights up. So you've got a little pearl that lights up right there. Caitlin thought that was really fun last night when she was tired. You've got two chairs, a mirror that lights up. The chairs look like clams, which is really cute. And then you have here on the table, sorry, we have had all our stuff out charging. You have the words to Under the Sea and the sheet music, so that's like really awesome. Let me see if I can get close enough where you can see it. Under the Sea. And then you have a little dresser, the TV. Caitlin's watching Toy Story because she hasn't seen it like 500 times at home yet. It's like one of her favorites. This is a lock-off room. So this is nice that if you want to hang your stuff up, you can. This is cute. I like that it's on the octopus. And then you've got Prince Eric and Max, which is cute. And then Scuttle's in there. So you have a rack with one extra pillow, your irons there, the ironing board, you can throw your luggage up there, and you've got hangers. Your safe is in the wall right out in the open, which is not at all what we're used to because we normally stay at DVC properties because we're DVC members. So this is a way different layout than what we're used to. And then because this is ADA, there's more open space than normal. So you've got handrails to help you if you have mobility problems. There's the toilet. You have a hairdryer in the room, which is nice. I think that there's two garbage cans, which I'm not used to. Normally there's not two. And then each one comes with an extra plastic bag. I stole one of them because there's no laundry bags in this room for dirty laundry, so I took one. And then the sink, the mirror that looks like it's made out of coral, more clamshells. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but storage is like an issue, and I'm pretty sure it's because it's an ADA compliance room. So all the towels are just stacked everywhere. So it's not as clean and neat looking as normal. And then here's the shower. This is so cool. You've got Ariel on the shower curtain. And then again, because this is ADA and they need easy access, we had to put a towel down because water was starting to run out. So if you take really long showers, I would maybe keep them short in this room because the room slopes this way. So the water wasn't necessarily staying in the shower. So just be aware of that. And then look, you're in Ariel's grotto. How cool is this? Now this is a pricey room for it being Art of Animation, which is a value. We paid about $200 for the night, so they're not cheap. But we're only here one night, and we thought it'd be fun for Caitlin. One thing, if you have really bad allergies, mousekeeping is not up to standards here. I dropped my ring this morning and it rolled underneath the bed, and I just have to show this to you guys because I was like, whoa, you're kidding me. It doesn't look like it has been cleaned down here. for months. Like there's food, there's money down here, there's coins. It's really gross. So if you have allergy problems, make sure to get an allergy cleaning. They do that here. I get it. There's a lot of rooms and they have to service them quickly, and sometimes Caitlin's all done with something. I don't know what. They have to service the rooms pretty quickly, so they don't get to do things like that. So, you know, if it's a problem, if you do have really bad allergies, make sure to let them know so they can do an allergy cleaning. Anyways, that's all. It's a tiny room. This is everything. It's pretty cool. I would maybe do it again if we were in a pinch and coming in late at night. They have a Lion King room too, I think.
They have a couple.
There's a couple
different themed rooms. I'm not sure what they all are.
Yeah, I'll look it up and let you guys know what the other themed rooms are. I'm pretty sure there's a Lion King one, but that might actually be a family suite. But I will leave links in the article below and let you guys know. Bye.